Welcome to Rishvi Hypercommerce.
Linnworks Channel Integration Shopware Channel. On your Linnworks account, go to Settings, Channel Integration. Click here to add new channel integration. Search for Shopware Channel. Click on Install Application. Here, add account name. Click Next. Agree the terms and condition. Click Next. Here, enter website URL, username, password, client ID, client secret key, check his awards. And click Next. Here, check these three and click Next. And then click Finish. Here you can see your channel integration has been added. You can enable it from here. From here, you can edit your channel integration. You can test it, or you can edit integration as per your requirements. From here, you can edit location, channel mapping, from here, you can do channel mapping, from here, you can edit channel payment. Edit channel shipping from here. From here, you can delete your channel integration.